Hello everyone, so in this video I would like to give you one of the biggest update of the ChatGPT. ChatGPT bring a new update which is image creation got a major update. It's faster, more creative and better at the getting the details right. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Transform your photos. So changing selfies into headshot and remove the background and dynamically selfie photos. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Make economics and graphics. Okay, see your life as a comics and strip, make someone a birthday card and create an event. Okay, and show you idea visual, make a complex topic easier to understand with the infographics and diagram. Okay, so that's the update. So start creating. If I click here, so you see image here. So now whatever prompt you give, it will actually generating. Okay, so yeah guys, that's pretty much it, little update. So if you want to learn more, go to the ChatGPT official update website and then you can get more update. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day. Bye bye.